Okay, so today working on David's 2013 start, and common problem with these is you get a rattling sound in the front suspension when you're hitting bumps and stuff, and it's these caliper guide pins. They go bad. So I can show you right here. This is the part number we ordered. Ordered 2 of them. We're going to do both sides because we don't know what side is worn or if it's both sides. So I got these from Rock Auto. And you can, this is for the 2013-2016 Dodge Darts. Doesn't matter what model it is, what engine it is. It's just a common problem that they have in the front suspension, so we're going to go ahead and fix that today. So you want to go in here and you're going to want to turn the wheel, depending on what side you're doing. We're doing the driver's side first, so you're going to want to turn the wheel all the way to the left. That way we can access these bolts, make it really easy to get in here. And basically they're just these 2 bolts here. And they come with the pins are in here, right here. And they give you new boots and everything. They give you all the stuff to do this. They give you the grease and everything. It'll be really easy to replace. What is that now?
14 millimeter. 3/8 ratchet.
3/8 ratchet. Okay, go ahead and get in there and. Okay, you got those off. Okay, just set that out of the way for now, and hope it doesn't fall down and rip the hose out. Okay. Go ahead and we'll take the first top caliper guide pin out, bolt. Look at that one real quick. Ooh, you can see it kind of it looks worn.
Yeah.
There's some wear on there. Go ahead and take that bottom one out. What does that look like? They're definitely they're definitely worn. I don't know if it's this side that's making the noise. Could be both. But
it sounded like both from what I was hearing, but
we'll go ahead and we'll get that open and we'll throw the new stuff on there. You got new boots and everything too for it. That's nice. Go ahead and take them out. Yeah. Let them just pop right out.
There's one in.
They might suck themselves in when you put the bolt in. Oh, there you go. And we are using OEM genuine Mopar parts for this. There's the part number right there. If you guys want to know.
Got grease on these things.
You got your grease. Put those on the bolts.
I might need my knife to get this open. I don't know if that cut it right now. Yeah. Hopefully,
just put a nice amount. I'd maybe use use like half on each bolt.
Really don't even think you need a whole lot because it spreads pretty easily.
Go ahead and work it in there. Spread it all the way around. That's when you press the brakes on your car, that bracket, that's what squeezes the pads. It's always moving. That bolt moves with these, and that's what squeezes your pads whenever you step on the brake pedal.
Probably use this whole thing on it because we got another one for the other side.
Well, you got a whole nother bolt, remember?
Oh yeah.
You want to get that on both bolts. It's one pack. Well, does it come with 2?
2 packets.
Oh wow, you can use all of it on one bolt then. Go ahead. I didn't realize that. I thought there was just 1 pack of grease in there.
Shit's like really greasy and sticky.
Yeah.
It's hard to get out too with trying to hold this at the same time.
Probably the most messy your hands will get doing this whole thing right here.
Yeah, literally.
Well, probably should have wore gloves or something when doing this, but
whatever.
Nothing, a little soap and water. Can't clean up.
Very valid.
All right, go ahead and get that in the bottom. Good.
Here.
top and bottom. Alright, go ahead. Cram that in there. Good.
Just like that. And now I'm gonna do our other one.
What's next?
Alright, so now we just gotta put our bolts back in to hold the caliper. Oh, we gotta put the caliper on too. These go.
Yeah, that might help you stop.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh, we might have to compress the piston. Oh.
You might get lucky.
I think we got lucky.
Okay.
It's like,
You might have to turn those bolts.
yeah, I think I do. This one's off.
See? Yeah, you might have to spin it up. Straight up and down.
Yeah.
Does that look like? Yeah, because see, there's a little groove in the caliper.
I can't see on the bottom here. I think I got it lined up. There. It's still, I mean.
Alright, so one thing you want to note when you're putting these guide pins in, you want to note how this bolt, this slide is supposed to be set in here on the caliper. You can see right there, this has to be straight up and down, basically.
Alright, let's tighten this thing up now.
Gotta note how this bolt is set in here. Your camera will focus, which it's not. Your camera's not focusing at all.
Pull it away and then back up.
It did. It's fucking junk.
Won't focus.
Nope.
What the fuck? Oh, you're zoomed in all the way, aren't you?
No.
No?
Not even. Dude, I'm not even fucking quarter way in.
I don't get it. It's never done that before.
When you put these caliper guide pin bolts in, you want to make sure that this is how they're set in here. There's like a little groove on the bracket of the caliper, and you'll see when you go to do it that that's how they have to be set in. So you can go ahead and tighten that stuff. Make sure it's real tight too.
It is. I don't want to over tighten it either. Though.
Oh, you won't over tighten those. Alright, that one's done. Very simple to replace these bolts. And there's just 2 of them per side. They, like I said, they give you the new bolts here, 2 of these. They give you 2 of the new caliper guide pin bolts. They give you 2 of them. Got the bolts done. We'll go ahead and straighten the wheel out. We'll throw our tire on and then we're done.
Helps when you can see too. To line it up.